Understanding Painful Reminders in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase that we often encounter in English: painful reminders. This phrase carries a lot of emotional weight, and understanding its use can really help in grasping the nuances of the English language. So, let's dive in. Painful reminders is a phrase made up of two words, painful and reminders. The word painful refers to something causing emotional or physical distress. It's not just limited to physical pain, but also includes emotional suffering. Reminders, on the other hand, are things that cause someone to remember something. So, when combined, the phrase painful reminders talks about things that make us recall past events, experiences, or feelings that are distressing or unpleasant. To understand painful reminders better, let's look at some examples. 1. After the breakup, seeing their favorite movie was a painful reminder of the good times they had. In this sentence, the movie acts as a reminder of happy moments in a past relationship, which now causes pain due to the breakup. 2. Visiting his childhood home was a painful reminder of his tough upbringing. Here, the act of visiting his old home brings back memories of a difficult childhood. These examples show how painful reminders can be used in various contexts, highlighting memories that bring back emotional pain. Understanding synonyms can expand your ability to express similar ideas. Here are some: bitter memories, similar to painful reminders, but with an emphasis on the bitterness of the past. Unpleasant flashback, a sudden, often vivid, memory that is unwelcome. Sorrowful recall, remembering something that brings sorrow. Each of these phrases can be used in slightly different contexts but conveys a similar idea of recalling something that causes emotional distress. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of the phrase, painful reminders. It's a powerful expression that can add depth to your understanding of English, especially when discussing memories and emotions. Remember, language is not just about words, but the feelings and stories they convey. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.